Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Now, in the previous video, I actually showed how to use keyframes to make your own progress bar that progresses at the bottom, such as I'm doing for a good chunk of this video. Actually, let's make it the whole video. But I actually decided to go one step further. I made a plugin for you guys that's completely free. What it does is it does the progress bar at the bottom. I'll actually show you guys it. I have it installed, of course. It's called Bottom Progress Bar. So simply, all you do is, you size it to the size of your whole clip, right? No matter what size it is, you just size it to that size. And then, if we play the clip, you'll see that it actually goes through with the clip. See, we're halfway through. It's halfway through right there. Once we get all the way at the end there, there we have the very end of the clip right there. Now, if you wanted, you could actually change the color. I made these options very easily for you to do. So just hit the inspector. If you don't see it, just click that. And then under here, you can change the color to whatever you want. And if that was enough, I also made it so you can change the height. You can increase the height to whatever you want, or reduce it if you want. Like, if you want it to be a lot lower, you can put it there. If you want it to be a lot higher, you can make it high just the way you want it. I like the way it is by default, personally. But yeah, you can play around with it and whatnot. Now, if you guys want to learn how to make more plugins or would like to see more plugins in the future or whatnot, definitely let me know. All that stuff, comment section below. And if you find the plugin helpful, link will be in the description below, of course. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. And yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.